Solve the following logarithmic equation. Be sure to reject any nasty stuff. Give the exact answer, all right? You got to remember in a logarithmic equation what this number here by itself means, and that number is a power. That number is a power that when you place it on the 4, the base, gives you the x plus the 9. 4 cubed is 64. Subtract the 9, I get 55. Now nastiness, what are we worried about? We're worried about x plus 9. We're worried about that ever being a 0, and we're worried about that being a negative. In logarithms, this part right here has to always be something positive. 55, that's not a problem. Number 2, solve the following exponential equation. I'm going to do this using some quadratic techniques. I'm going to bring in a temporary variable, and I'm going to let a be that e to the 2x in the middle. And if that's true, then e to the 4x can be rewritten as a squared, and the rest of it. Now, isn't that a lot less intimidating? You can factor this into a minus 2 and a plus 4. A minus 2 is going to give us a 2, but that's really e to the 2x is equal to 2. Now we bring back the e. A plus 4 is going to give us negative 4, which means e to the 2x is equal to that negative 4. I'm going to solve each of these by pulling the power out, and I can do that by taking the natural log of the two sides. Pull that power out. That's an equal to sign there. You know that the natural log of e is a 1. And I get the x by itself by dividing the 2 underneath all of that. Same thing over here. Throw natural logs at the two sides just so I can take the power out. This is going to be a problem here. 2x is equal to, your natural log of e becomes a 1, it goes away. And this is impossible to work because we can't have there is no power that would turn the e here into that negative 4. So this wouldn't work. So our exact solution is the natural log of 2, all of that over 2. What is the decimal approximation? I can't do that using my supercalculator. I don't know why that question's there. Rewrite the following equations in terms of base e. Round, I can't do that, but let me show you how far I can go. So y is equal to 88, 4.2 to the x. What they're wanting us to do is they want us to take this 4.2 and change it into e to some power. I'll put a k here. I don't want to use an x because there's already an x there. So I'll take the natural log of the two sides just so I can pull the power k out. So k is going to be the natural log of 4.2. Now I can't do that without a calculator. So here's what I can give you, Mr. Problem. I can tell you that y is equal to 88 e to the x times the natural log of 4.2. That's the best that I can do. If I could bring up my super fancy calculator, but I can't do that using my super incredible calculator. Just can't do it.